Hello everyone, this is Shalmari from Dafty Games and good to see you all back on our channel. But before we start, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. May this year bring you lots of happiness, success, prosperity and good health. So let's leave all the negativities of 2020 behind and only take all the good and positive things that we have learned and jump into 2021 with a positive attitude. Now since this is our first video of New Year and Durga is not here since she's traveling, the honors fall upon me. So you'll get to see only my pretty face this week. So what are we going to do today? Today we are going to be making some magnets, and not just any magnets, we are going to do some customized magnets which you can use on your fridge or your cupboard, or you can give it as a souvenir to your friends. So let's go check it out. So we start by taking 2 parts of our molded clay and mixing it well together. We then take some plastic or some polythene to roll the dough on and sprinkle a bit of talcum powder so that it doesn't stick to the plastic. Once that is done, we just take our rolling pin and roll the dough as we would roll a chapati. Now we'll take a knife and give it a wave-like pattern on the top and bottom. Oh, that looks like Aladdin's carpet, but that's not what we are making. Now let's take some more clay and divide it into 4 parts, and we roll each part into this thin ribbon-like shape and fold it in half to make it look like a rope. So you just have to twirl it around each other to give it that rope-like shape. Once that is done, we cut that in half and attach it on both the sides of our base. Now repeat the same step on the other side as well. Let's curve our ropes so that they look realistic. Moving on, we take a knife and make these marks along the curved line so that we know where to place the ghungroos. Now let's move on to our ghungroos. I've gone ahead and made them already. I've just taken some clay and rolled them into small balls so that they can depict a ghungroo. So we just place them along the markings that we made earlier. It's starting to take shape, just a few more finishing touches left. Now we just take some really small amount of clay, roll it up and divide it into 3 parts so that they look like these threads that come off at the end of a rope. So we just repeat this step for all the 4 rope shapes that we have done, and there our ghungroos are all ready to be dried. Now let's move on to our next design. I've already gone ahead and rolled the clay, and I've divided some more clay into 4 parts. So we take one part of it and start rolling it really thin, and we start to make a number 2 which we'll place on top of the base that we had rolled out earlier. Now let's make a 0 and 2 again. Now let's bring in our new year by replacing the 0 with 1 and leave 2020 behind. Now I'm not going to just stop at 2021, I'm going to add something after 1. So I'm going to just take some more clay, roll it up and make the alphabet W. Now let's just cut the top and bottom portion of our base so that it is a nice straight line. Now let's take some more clay and extend our base because we are not done writing. So once the base is ready, just make a small O and a small N. And that's done. And as you guys can see, instead of the number 1, I have written WON because this year is going to be all about winning. Now just one finishing touch. I've just made this rope and I'm going to attach it directly to the base. Now that that's done, let's keep that aside for drying and go back to our ghungroos so we can start painting them. Now we take a nice bright red color and paint the entire ghungroo. So once the red color is all dried, we'll move on to the ghungroos. So we take a nice golden color and start painting the ghungroos with it. Oh, they're looking so beautiful, aren't they? I'm just going to give it another coat of golden. And our ghungroo is all ready. We just need to add the magnet at the back. Now let's start painting our 2021. So I'm going to give it a nice black color so that the alphabets will stand out when I give it a different color. It can also depict that we are leaving the darkness behind and coming into the light. Now while that is drying, I have gone ahead and placed the magnet at the back of the ghungroo. So I've just taken some extra clay and attached the magnet to it. And I'm going to take another magnet for the 2021, but I'm going to be using two since it is larger in size. So you just take the clay, roll it up, take the magnet and place it in the center and just cover the magnet with the clay. So we take a magnet along with the clay and place it at the edges of the ropes and just make sure that it is properly attached. Now I've chosen an orange color for the 2021 so that it stands out nice and bright against the black. And for the word one, I have chosen a golden color because I want it to stand out differently against 2021. I don't want them to blend into each other. So I'm going to give it a nice gold color. Because we want this year to be Sone Pe Suhaga, right? Pay no attention to the knife as I've kept it there to support because my clay is not completely dried yet. Let's continue with painting the rope in gold color as well. And there both of our beautiful magnets are all ready. Our 2021 and a beautiful chin 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 ghungroo. Let's see how they look on a refrigerator. Oh, they look so pretty. And that's it. We're done with our pretty little magnets and I'm so happy with the way they've turned out. The 2021 gives us a nice positive winning attitude and my personal favorite, the ghungroo. This I can absolutely relate to since I am a dancer, I'm a performer and I know that anyone with a base of Indian dance, either classical or folk, is going to love this. So if any one of you guys try to make this at home, do remember to tag us on our Instagram handle. We are Dafty Dames on Instagram as well. And give us a big fat thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you guys get stuck while making this, just comment or DM us and we'll help you out. And I know that Durga is going to love this one as well because she is a very good dancer herself, in case you guys didn't know. So that's it for today. See you next week. Until next time, this is Dafty Dames signing off. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.